Hello friends, I am Ankit and welcome to my channel. I am here with my daily predictions and analysis for Dow Jones and Nasdaq. And if you appreciate my effort, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment friends. This means a lot to me. And let's start the predictions for Tech 100. And right now Tech 100 is trading at around 13,517, 13,520 levels, close to 13,520 levels. And it is still in a bullish zone right now. Let's have a look at the daily charts. So on a daily chart, the candle is green, and hopefully if it breaks this level at around 13,530, then we can expect that it is going to give a good big bullish candle, like what I am trying to say. See, the rise here on this candle and the rise here on this candle is almost alike, and I am expecting that this candle is also going to give you the similar rise, and it is going to hit a target at around 13600, close to 13600. Possibly this appears on a daily chart that we are going to hit the target at around 13600 plus levels. 13640 is the target for me, and it is trading in an upward trending channel. We can see that couple of green bullish candles, then the fall here, and we can see that there is a support down there at 13,000, then a big bullish candle, then a couple of drops, and now it is trying to give a rise. So possibly it is going to be a bullish day with a target of 13. Let's keep the target aside right now, but yes, I expect it to hit 13,600 plus. But how far this will go, let's have a look. Now looking at this is a 4-hour chart, and looking at the 4-hour chart, we can see that uh, right now if you see this smaller body, then a bigger body, and now this tail is already there in this candle. So closely looking at this tail is already there in this candle. There is a resistance at around 13.5, sorry, there is a resistance at around 13,525, 530 levels, you can say, and it is trying to break this. And now if it breaks this candle supposedly is like, this is having a body of around 60 points from 440 to 500. So this candle I expect it to head till 13600 around. 13580 to 13600 definitely we might hit in this 4-hour candle. So still a lot of room is available, and it appears that you can see that, see, this is the zone where it has got stabilized, and now it is trying to break out, and it is trying to go past these levels. So possibly we are the Tech 100 is going to rise. It appears from daily chart, it appears from hourly chart, and it appears from, let's have a look at the 2-hour chart also. And a 2-hour chart also, it appears that we are going to have a good bullish run if it crosses and passed by this level at around 13,525, 13,530, which is going to give a good resistance maybe. But once it passes this, it is going to rush, it is going to run, and it is going to go past 13600 levels. So on a weekly chart, as I had told clearly that this week in my weekly analysis I had shared that I am expecting a bull, and possibly this is going to reverse from here, and we are going to hit higher highs towards close to 13800 and 13970 14,000 levels possibly. So today is the decisive day, and if it tries to drop, I will be watchful till 13400, which it appears that it is not going to drop from 4-hour, 2-hour and daily charts. Now let's have a look at the indicators. I will give you the levels, but be with me for a couple of more minutes. It is always good to understand a little deeper. So here on a daily chart, we are getting a good resistance here at around 13600 levels. If it passes by 13600 anyhow, we are going to have a good bull run in the coming days. So be watchful of this 13600. It's a strong resistance level, and on a daily charts, RON is neutral. I'll say the crossover has happened on MACD line, so possibly we are going to see a big bullish candle. It appears on RSI is comfortable. The stochastic on daily charts is again trying to it is still in overbought, close to overbought territory, but I will be watchful that how this candle behaves, because it has not crossed over yet, and if it sharply drops, then only the crossover will happen and the drop shall start towards 13400 levels. But I will be watchful that how this black line tapers up, how this black line performs today, and if it is going to give a good bullish candle towards 13640, we are again going to enter into a overbought territory, and from there with a little rise towards 13800 or 14000, then we could see a drop possibly. Now let's have a look at the 4-hour charts also. So on a 4-hour chart right now, it appears that it is strongly bullish, and it is just entered into overbought territory, but it still got some steam to continue this run, and possibly we might see a little bull run from here. And the RSI is comfortable on a 4-hour chart. The MACD lines are also comfortable on a 4-hour chart, and so here it is. Let me write down the levels for you, and then we can have a discussion over there. So if it breaks this level at around 13530, my target is 13620 first target, and 13640 to 13620, maybe close to this it is going to achieve. It might go beyond that also, possibly towards 13670 levels. So be watchful of this, but it has to go past this hurdle at around 13530. At the same time, if it breaks below 13500 now, if it breaks below 13500, I will be targeting 13400, and if 13400 is taken, then sky is the limit, and we are going to drop towards 13320. But possibility of this happening, I expect that it is not going to happen. And don't trade between this level at, rather I will say, don't trade between this level at 13480 to 13530. Don't trade, as it is trying to stabilize. But yes, my target for the day is 13620 to 13640. We are going to achieve possibly. This is my expectation from Tech 100. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones, what Dow Jones is trying to do. And see, Dow Jones on a daily chart, if you see, has seen a high at around 34380 levels, which is going to give a good resistance for any upward move. And the candle is bullish, candle is green, and I expect that it is going to be a massive or a bigger bullish candle what we saw on Friday and the day before. And from here it appears that we are going to hit 34500 if it passes by this resistance at around 34380. So 34500 and beyond levels are also possible. But let's have a look at the 4-hour chart. So on a 4-hour chart, we can see that it has formed a lower low here, and now it will try to hit 13380 levels. And this chart, if 13380 is taken or broken, then we could expect that it is going to hit towards 34420. If 34320 is taken, then I will expect 34420, and then it is going to hit a higher highs towards 34500 20 levels, close to 34500 levels. So this is on a 4-hour chart. We have seen the 2-hourly chart also, we have seen the daily charts also, and daily charts also it appears that 13438 is something which we should be watchful of. And looking at the 2-hour chart, so interestingly on a 2-hour chart, see, interestingly on a 2-hour chart, we have seen that it is trading at around these levels at around 34320 for quite some time now, almost 12 hours. It is trading at around these levels. So it is just, I will be watchful now, and if it crosses this pass by 34380 somewhere around here, then I will be expecting 34420 is something I will be watching. And if 34420 is also taken, then my target is big, and we are going to hit 34500 levels first target, and then next target towards 34 600 plus levels. So this is on a 2 hour chart, and now let's say we have looked at the daily chart, we have looked at the, now this is on a weekly chart, and on a weekly chart it appears similarly what I had said, 34,380. If it crosses, then 34,500, and then I will confirm that it is going towards 35,000 levels, as I had shared on my weekly predictions also. So now let's have a look at the indicators. What does the indicators are indicating here? And we can find that there is a good support available at around 34,250 levels, and on the upside right now the resistance levels are around 34,380, and then it will go past by 34,420. If it goes past by 34,420, you can go long, and it is going to hit 34,500, and it will march towards 35,000 also this week itself. So the R1 is neutral. The MACD lines are converging. If this bullish candle continues, the MACD lines will converge, the crossover will happen, and it will enter into a bull zone again. RSI is comfortable. Stochastic is again rising, and it will hit into an overbought position with the today's rise. Possibly if it hits 34,500 plus levels, it is going to enter into a overbought position. Now let's have a look at the 4-hour chart. Indicators on a 4-hour chart. So this is tapering down, and still it is bullish, but it is tapering down, so the rise is trying to consolidate here. Let's see how it performs. But yes, so on a 4-hour chart, the MACD lines are also in a bullish territory, but with the almost stable candle size or reducing candle size. So be watchful of this. And with this, let me write down the levels for you. And so 80 points from 34,300 to 34,380. Don't trade, no trade zone. If it passes by 34,380, my next target 34,420, and next target 34,500. And possibly I am bullish, and possibly we are going to hit 34,500 and plus levels also. This is going to be my target for the day. But yes, if it breaks below 34,300, then again I will be expecting 34,180. So be watchful. But I am bullish, and I will be expecting it to hit 34,500 today. So this is all from my side. If you appreciate my effort, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment, friends. Thank you very much. Have a great day.